Meaning of ginormous.
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 Ginormous. The word ginormous is a playful combination of the words gigantic and enormous, used to describe something that is incredibly large or huge. It is an informal term and often used in a humorous context to exaggerate the size or scale of something beyond what is considered normal. For example, a person might use this word to describe a massive pizza or an excessively large building. Overall, ginormous is a fun and descriptive way of expressing the magnitude of something in a lighthearted manner.